Long ago, deep inside a peaceful forest, there lived three very close friends who trusted each other with their whole hearts. Hiranyakudu the mouse was clever and quick. Mandarudu the tortoise was calm and patient, and Lagupatanakudu the crow was sharp and watchful. One year, a terrible drought struck the forest, and food became harder to find with each passing day. Searching for water and safety, the three friends decided to stay near a quiet lake deep inside the forest. Every day they met beside the lake, sharing thoughts, laughter, and the warmth of true friendship. One afternoon, a frightened deer suddenly came running toward them in great fear. Thinking danger had arrived, the mouse hid in his hole, the tortoise slipped toward the water, and the crow flew up into a tree. When no danger followed, the crow called everyone back, and the deer finally felt safe. The deer introduced himself as Chitrangudu and humbly asked to be accepted as their friend. Chitrangudu shared how he once lived in a royal palace but was sent back to the forest because he was different. Touched by his story, the three friends welcomed Chitrangudu, and soon all four lived happily together. One evening, Chitrangudu went searching for food and did not return even after a long time. Worried and restless, the friends asked the crow to search for him from the sky. Flying far and wide, the crow found Chitrangudu trapped tightly in a hunter's net. The crow rushed back and quickly informed Hiranyakudu about the terrible danger. Without wasting time, Mandarudu carried Hiranyakudu on his back toward the trapped deer. Using his sharp teeth, Hiranyakudu carefully chewed through the net and freed Chitrangudu. Just then, danger returned once again, and fear filled the forest. The deer ran away, the crow flew high, the mouse hid safely, but the slow-moving tortoise was caught. Seeing their friend in trouble, the three quickly made a clever plan to save him. Chitrangudu lay still on the path like a lifeless body, while the crow pretended to peck at him. As the danger moved away, Hiranyakudu silently chewed through the ropes and freed Mandarudu. The tortoise slipped into the water, the deer jumped up and ran, and the crow flew away safely. And so, all four friends survived because they never abandoned one another. True friends always help each other in times of danger.